All right, and welcome back to It's New. Good to be back. Hope everybody's doing well. Barry Schwartz here, Mordy Oberstein, and Greg Finn with a new looking wall.
Yeah, Morty, flame me now.
That is a nice. I've never seen wall like that. That is some good wall right there.
Thank you.
You made us look like fools for months, making fun of you, mocking you. It was a lot of fun, but you got the last laugh. I like that. That's nice.
Actually, company branded custom artwork up here. More to come. So I'm going to be filling it up here soon.
It really looks great. Good job, Greg.
Thank you.
Your shirt totally clashes though with the
yeah, right. It makes it pop. Get out of here.
All right. On the wall news, Google, how I'm going to be talking about how Google's ranking volatility has continued and how Yahoo Search seems to be doing some really new things with their Yahoo search engine. So let's get into that. What are you talking about, Greg?
I've got details, Max, for you on new PMax updates and controls.
And Mordy?
Google's hard at work with the new search feature variant and more AI link formatting on the search engines. Why can't they ever just figure this out already?
Yada, yada, yada. All right. So Google search ranking volatility spiked again on Friday through the weekend, Saturday, Sunday. Not so much today, I don't believe. Maybe it has, I don't know. But definitely the tools themselves are noticing a spike, and the chatter was pretty significant starting on Friday and then Saturday and even through Sunday. A lot of chatter. I only documented some of it. So if you are noticing some significant ranking volatility over the weekend, you are definitely not alone. Google has not confirmed it, which obviously what Google does or does not do. That being said, it was pretty significant. Also, Yahoo Search seems to be expanding their AI chat feature, which we talked about a little bit last week. And now they're starting to add AI answers to their search results. And this is something that Yahoo is talking about since like 2022, then 23, and then 24, and now we're in 25. And finally, Yahoo seems to be adding some new AI-related search features. This is spotted by Sachin Patel, who shares some screenshots of generated by AI answers in the Yahoo search results that expand like a normal AI answer. It seems like to be powered by OpenAI, which is interesting, not by Microsoft Copilot, which again is kind of like OpenAI because they have a partnership with OpenAI. But there's also new chat features. The only way to see this actually is to log in. And then Glenn Gabe tried it out. He logged in, and then it says, "Oops, something went wrong." But it is nice to see Yahoo trying this types of stuff. I don't know if you guys had to take a look at it, but it's pretty nice to see Yahoo doing this.
Yeah, we mentioned last week. It's nice to see Yahoo, John Henshaw and crew over there doing some good stuff.
Yeah, for sure. And there's a quick note I don't know if we covered this it's new, but we covered on Friday that the Google Search Quality Raters has been updated. They added 11 new pages focused more around spam and helping the search quality raters figure out using more illustrative examples of spam and so forth. So if you were bored over the weekend or you're bored over this coming weekend, definitely take a look at this 181 page document, PDF document of the search quality raters guidelines. Not that, again, these raters actually have any direct influence with the search results, but again, this is what Google's telling these raters to look at, and it always provides a really nice way for you to actually understand what Google's trying to do when it comes to ranking search. That being said, Greg, what do you got for us?
All right. First up, there's big news over in PMax as Jenny Marvin, the Google Ads liaison, shared over on X that there are more updates and controls for reporting. So those negative keywords are going to be rolling out globally at the moment. One downside is you'll only have 100 negative keywords. So you can't, in all likelihood, use lists, and you're going to have to choose those wisely. So there's a lot you still can do with this. It's one of those things like sort of we take what we can get and we don't get upset.
It was fine. I saw somebody respond like, why only 100? And Jenny responded like a non-answer. And then so like back to the question, why only 100? And then I was going to be like, you ready to use your 2 questions? You can't
yeah. And I do understand that like PMax is a different type. It's supposed to be all this AI and everything. But if you know for certain that you don't service 100, or let's say 49 states, and you want to remove the shorthand and the actual full name of those states, you're already at 98 terms. You know what I mean? So it's like some of those negative keyword lists are there for a reason or make sense, but I understand they also don't want to give this AI driven campaign type like nothing to work with. Additionally, we had talked about it before, but for PMax, retailers will be able to have the ability to opt out of search, but only opt into shopping for branded terms. So that was, again, reiterated. There will be the ability to optimize for higher lifetime value, and it's called high value new customer mode. That was something that was in beta that's now out of beta. That should be something really cool if you have good customer match lists and you have good matching also. That's a kind of big key to the puzzle there. And then one of my favorite things is device targeting for computer, mobile, or traffic, and then age and demographic based. So a lot of people, like if you're running, you've got an app, you got something like that, you want to be on mobile. And then also vice versa. If you're, some people just sell a lot more online on desktops than they do mobile, or maybe a longer conversion process. And then lastly, there's some reporting updates. We covered some of this a little bit where you can see those search term insights, where they're actually coming from. I think we covered that Wednesday last week. And then you can also download asset group reports by device, time, and more globally. So there's a blog post over there. And then Barry, I think you've got a write-up over on Search Engine Roundtable as well.
He's on the phone.
No, it's fine. Okay, good. Well, look, it's just like last week. I'll run this. Okay, you just keep listening on the phone there. And I'm going to cover something that I don't think we will see make it out of testing.
Breaking news from Google. I bet you it's Google.
Yeah, let's just pretend we're doing this all on the phone.
Oh, yeah, let's do it on the phone. Okay.
So
should I go?
No, I can just cover my last one here.
Where the last one. That wasn't enough PPC. You're right.
Morty, you should like this one. This says
I was pretending to like all of them.
Is testing black organic URLs. Yeah, Barry. Yep. And green URLs if it is non-sponsored. Okay.
Wow.
So if you look at the example, you can see that over on Bing, Kushwal Barani.
Hanging up.
Sorry.
We're already off the phone. You're on the phone for an extra 10 seconds, Morty. Kushwal Barani spotted the fact that the sponsored listings on Bing, again, you have to look in the description to see that they're sponsored. The URLs are green and what appears to be a test. And then what is not sponsored is sort of that blackish dark gray color. So it looks like there's some differentiation over on Bing between ads and organic. But I don't think that's going to stick around.
Yeah, that was pretty weird. I don't. It seemed like kind of like a bug. Why would they actually try that? I don't get it, but it was pretty interesting to see that. So, and sorry for that phone call.
Sorry, we just joined in. We jumped in. It was your doctor.
Yeah, we got it. We're pros at taking over your channel now. Although it was nice to hear you cover search volatility. I've missed that.
Thank you.
Did you get hit by a truck, Barry, on vacation?
I don't know.
Well, are you saying he gained weight? Is that what you're trying to say?
No, I just asked if he got hit by a truck.
Technically, no. I did not get hit by a truck, thankfully.
Good job.
Although you got to be careful there in that country.
Oh, the worst.
Not for anything.
Oh, they're insane.
All right. Morty, what do you got?
You know what else is insane? If you're searching for shoes, like, I don't know, Nike shoes, Google might think you're looking for a job at Nike or other similar. It makes no sense. What is going on? What is that? It's got to be a bug or something. They can't be right. No? Just so I better explain this, someone searched for Nike shoes and they got a carousel of jobs at similar employers. Nike, Adidas, Puma. So Nike is a similar employer for Nike shoes. That's also weird. Barry's checking it now. You want to call someone to Google?
No, I'm just writing the notes for our show, so it ends up faster. But that being said, it's weird. I don't get it unless the previous query was job related, which I'm not sure. So that makes sense. But again,
let's call John Mueller and ask him.
Yeah, I don't think he knows.
Hey, John. Okay. Back to Bing. So Bing is testing sourcing its AI sources in a carousel, not in link cards, one on top of the other one. So underneath the AI result is like 4 sources, and then a carousel just go through it. Before it was like based on 4 sources, and there'd be result. So that's something.
I'm at the point where I just get anxiety when I look at now.
It's so much show, and it says like caution, flashes of light appear in this show. Like you may experience a stroke or something.
Yeah.
That's what you
It's
should
funny
get.
because not too long ago they said they removed hundreds of features, and like where? Like what? Like how many features are we missing?
No, they said they moved them around, not that they
Oh,
removed them. They
that
moved
makes sense.
them.
And they're constantly moving as you're looking
Yeah,
at the page.
constantly moving.
Wild. Any event, thanks so much for this covering all this stuff, and we'll be back tomorrow for more. It's new. Sorry for the phone call. It was just I'm waiting for the plumber. So anyway,
Oh no.
I don't want to miss him. You don't want to miss your plumber. So any event, everyone have a great day. Back tomorrow.
You
with
really
more news.
cracked me up, Barry.
Nice wall again, Greg.
And find something else to pick on me for, Morty.
I will. I will.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.